Right. So first thing you're going to want to do is go on the Insert tab and click the Recommended Pivot Tables button. You're going to want to scroll to the bottom and click the Count of Scale Score by Proficiency Level. Just click OK. Then you're going to want to name the new sheet that you just got, name it Count. And you'll see the pane on the right side. You're going to return to the Count sheet, which you're already on, and drag the grade field in the Pivot Table Fields pane down to the Values section. Then what you're going to want to do is drag the Count of Scale Score from the Values section into the worksheet to remove it. Alright, so then the next thing you're going to do is drag the grade field to the columns area. You'll see each grade summarized. Drag the test field to the filters area. Then you're going to click cell B, or cell B1 currently shows all. Click the filter drop down arrow, choose math, and click OK. On the filter button, click cell B1 and choose reading, and click OK. Your data should look similar. Oh wait, never mind. And then you're going to want to save the workbook to Lesson 12 folder as 12 Test Pivot Table Solutions.